How to recover WhatsApp two-step verification PIN without email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your WhatsApp two-step verification PIN without your email. So let's get started. First thing, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Let me come back here. Okay, so then head over to your settings on your WhatsApp. After you do that, you can then see a lot of different options. The one that you'll need to go to is your account option. On your account option, there you'll find different options. Head over to two-step verification and there you'll find change PIN option. Tap on it and then enter your new 6-digit PIN. After you do that, you will have reset your PIN and you won't need your email to do that. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, if you do need your email, just wait for 7 days to reset it. And yeah, after the 7-day reset period, you can reset your PIN. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.